Purnima and I have been doing a lot of things together, and what we've discovered is friendship and happiness, and anything that is done by women sees results. So some of us got together and decided some of our actors who started out in 80s will have to meet. Now we've all become family, and it's all organized mostly by women, and now men come in. So I think women are the torch bearers, and when they do something wonderful, men are always there to support. And today I think men are, and the society is not stopping women from doing anything, but actually encouraging them to do, because they really don't know what is good. When you take social work also, they say any change in the grassroots level should start with women and children. They're not targeting other people and men and things like that. So now men have also decided that the woman at home is doing a lot of wonderful things, and there's a lot of great support for what the women are doing.
Hasni, what I've usually seen is where women go, men usually follow. And I must say that Hasni and I started out together. She was one of my earliest friends in this industry when I came down new from Bombay. And though she's been in front of the limelight, I have been away from it. And recently we got in touch again and we bonded so well. You know, everything came back like it was just flashback, and it's been wonderful to be here again.
Duchess Club is like that, you know, we meet up, but there is no, what I discovered in Duchess is that there's absolutely no comparison, there is no competition at all. Everybody is equal and everybody is seeing all the positive things in another person. That's something that we've learned from Duchess, and it's wonderful to spend Women's Day with all the wonderful Duchess. Thank you so much for calling us.
Good morning. It's wonderful to be here today. I haven't been coming to any of the Duchess Club meetings, but today I'm so glad that I have come. Nina and Rati both insisted that I came today, and it feels so wonderful to see so many ladies in attendance here. Well, the attendance of today itself shows the strength of Women's Day. Everybody is happy and doing their own thing today. I'm a little bit at a loss for words. I didn't expect to be called up right away as soon as I entered. So I think I'll hand over the mic to Hasni.
Only and only to the Duchess ladies. Make sure wherever you shop across, either in Andhra Pradesh, Bangalore, Chennai, any of the store of Kalanikethan, you will be pampered by our collection, and you will be gifting 25% flat discount on whatever you buy. Anytime, please. It's a gift on this day of Women's Day. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
But then as time went on and Kamal grew taller and taller and taller and taller, broke my heart. We just bombarded with some fantastic answers, and actually there is somebody here who is hearing you very carefully, and the best answer there goes an award to a prize. So keep talking.
Sacrifice is another option. Okay. So do you think the women in the rest of the world lack all these qualities, or are we going to go with them?
Hello ladies, a very happy Women's Day to all of you. Sometime back, I think Shailaja, she came and said that she's 40 and feeling great, and Rati said she's 50 and feeling fabulous. Well, I would like to say, I turned 60. I'm feeling absolutely sensational. I'm loving life every minute. I love all of you. I love traveling with all of you. It's been great fun. So cheers to all of us.